To change, correct, or update name or address of policyholder. 1. Select endorsement. 2. Select name address. 3. To correct the policyholder's name, double-click the policyholder's name and make the correction. 4. Under mailing address, update new mailing address. 5. Under physical address, update new garaging address. 6. Under contact info, edit or delete phone number. 7. On the bottom right corner, select OK to continue. 8. Select Done to finalize request. 9. Change form option will open. 10. Select Create Change Form, print and attach. 11. Press OK to continue and print form.